Hey guys, welcome back to BlueWhaleCrypto. Today in this video, as usual, we will talk about Bitcoin. But before that, I want to wish you all a very happy new year. May this year brings us a lot of joy, a lot of profits, and we make a next level history in this year, okay? So let's get into it. I'll talk about Bitcoin in the short term, and we will also talk about how the Bitcoin has gone so far in 2022. It hasn't been that good for all of us, and the reason I was not active is because it was a Christmas time, it was the new year. I was trying to enjoy the moment, and overall the crypto market was on a complete sideways movement, or more of the bearish movement. What we are watching it right now, there is no such bigger movement that that we haven't catch. So anyway, the last video we would talk about, we took a long position inside the Bitcoin. We waited, we had our shorts set it up right here that were probably, I'm sorry, something is wrong. Okay, so that were probably nearly around 17,000. Okay, give me a moment. Yeah, that's fine. So something was wrong with the website. Okay, so here it is. The shorts that we were had set it up were right nearly around $17,343, but it never hit, and eventually the Bitcoin was in a complete sideways movement. You can see that this was a complete sideways movement. It's been like 10 12 13 days that we still been in that zone. So if you can calculate what is the range in which we are moving, it's probably about 2% to 5%. That's it. 2.5%. You can call it 3%. Okay. So 3% movement, we are not here to catch that kind of movements. As of now, what I'm watching is Bitcoin is could be probably be breaking out as it's a new year. Maybe the new money can come inside the market, and so we can see a short-term recovery inside the price of Bitcoin. Okay, in the last year, all the quarters, it's been for the first time ever that all the quarters for the Bitcoin went negative. Okay, so what I expect this year, it could be that we can drop down to the lower levels and catch the liquidity for once and for all, and then we can push up again, and we can start our bull run, or at least we can see a mini bull run this year. Okay, so expectation, I believe we had already got 4 quarters in negative, so probably we can expect one good quarter maybe. So let's see how it goes. Anyways, in the short term, let me just remove this because it's been very long, and it hadn't hit that entry, so I will remove my limit entry for that one. And going ahead, for the short term, what I'm watching out is, you can see that we have got multiple times rejections from this zone. Okay, from this trend line. So this third time, when we consolidated below this, I'm expecting it already had broken out with some of the volume. So what I have done is, right now I have taken a long position inside the Bitcoin. Okay, so which it looks like this. Okay, still we haven't got our major resistance area, hasn't been broken. So what could be the possible target for the Bitcoin? I'm also going to let you know about that. Okay, look, it's completely my perspective. I could be totally wrong. Still we can go and move inside the sideways movement, and moreover the market is still bearish. So what I expect is that we can go for this high. First of all, that could be around $17,030, and the next zone that I look for is $17,300. It's just for the scalping purpose. You can put your stop loss very tight below the trend line. If you want, you can put it up $16,400. Okay, so it could be 1:1, probably, or is it? Okay, so we do have a good risk reward in this one, not 1:1. It has a very pretty good risk reward. If we take 1 raised to 1, we can book our profits nearly around $16,900 to $17,000. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting right now. I've taken a small long position. There is a little problem right here that the RSI is reaching to the higher segment, higher point. So maybe we can look for a retest. Okay. Let me see, in the 4 hours it's still upward, so maybe we can, once we break this pink box resistance, we can expect a good rise inside the price of Bitcoin. Okay, this one good candle is giving me some of the surety. Maybe we can look for a higher side. Another thing that I'm looking at right now inside the Bitcoin is this one. So what you're looking at right now is a head and shoulder pattern. So probably this is also working out. If we break this pink box and we close above it, I can expect a good rise inside the price of Bitcoin, because it's been consolidating for a very long time. So if once there is a good breakout from any upper side or lower side, we can see a good momentum inside the price of Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market. Okay, so let's take a small opportunity. It's not that bad. Same is with the Ethereum. I'm also watching out the same thing. Not a complete, not the best head and shoulder, but I still believe this is a head and shoulder. And so this is the neck. Okay, if we get a breakout from this range, then surely we can look for a long opportunity inside the Ethereum as well. My older longs haven't got stopped out for some reason, because I haven't set my stop loss at entry. So maybe I'm still in profit. So if you get an opportunity to if this breaks it out, let's keep it this way. It breaks out $1,205. What you can do is you can look for a quick long opportunity inside the Ethereum as well. Okay, this was all about it. And let's talk about LTC, because LTC had given us a little bit of a movement. Okay, LTC, what I'm watching out, either it's need to break down, or if not, then you can, it could also form like a cup and handle pattern. So this is a cup, and then it can break and it can come to this half, and then a cup and handle, then it can go rise up. I've taken my last long position here, and I booked somewhere here. Okay, and holded it for a very long time, because it was a vacation period. Most of the people inside the market have taken out their money, and as this was a festival period, so people they intend to go out, they intend to cash out their money and use it for their personal uses. So this was all about it. This was all about Bitcoin, Ethereum, LTC. I'll try to keep up the updates with you guys, with the video and with the Telegram. Okay guys, all right guys, I wish you happy new year once again. Do make sure to like the video. Do make sure to show your love in the comment section if you've been missing my videos. What next are you guys expecting? What next analysis do you need? You can comment it in the comment section if any specific coin analysis you need. Okay, I'll see you in the next video guys. Bye bye.